If your Google account only has a password protecting it and the password ever leaks, someone can log in and take control of your business tools like Google Business Profile, Google Drive, or Ads. I'm Olaf from MarketlyX, and two-step verification is one of the first things we recommend setting up on every client's account, because it's one of the simplest ways to prevent a business account from being hijacked. In this video, I will show you step by step how to set up two-step verification on your Google account. Let's start with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and log into your Google account. Once you are logged in, go to myaccount.google.com and then click on Security and Sign in the left-hand menu. Under How you sign into Google, select two-step verification, and in this step you might get asked to write your password once again. Here you will see multiple options. First, passkeys and security keys. These are basically bound on a device. It can be the fingerprint on your MacBook or a face lock on your phone. Then Google prompt, which is simply a confirmation that will be sent to your phone every time someone will try to log in on another device. This one is often on automatically. Then we have the Authenticator app, which is simply an app you download on your desktop or phone. This app is then creating every 30 seconds new authentication codes. And last one, and the easiest one, is simply a phone number, on which you will receive authentication codes through a text message or a voice message. Setting all of these is quite simple and requires just following Google's steps. So just for this video, we will go with the one that most people will use, which is phone number. To set up the phone number verification, click on phone number. Now click on add phone number and enter the number you would like to use to verify your account. Then select how you would like to receive the verification codes, either through an SMS or a voice message. Once selected, click on next. Here, check once again if the number is correct. If yes, click on save. Once added, click on the back arrow, scroll down and select turn on two-step verification. Once this is on, your password alone is no longer enough to sign in. Whoever logs in will also need the second code. As you can see, we have also gotten a new option called backup codes. These are basically codes you can keep wherever it's safe, just in case your verification method would not be available. To get those codes, click on it, then click on Get Backup Codes, and Google will directly generate them for you. Keep them in a safe place, and once you have used them, you can always click on the refresh button here and get new codes. As you can see, turning on two-step verification takes just a couple of minutes, but it's one of the highest impact things you can do to keep your account and your Google business tools out of the wrong hands. If you would like to get more guidance on securing your Google account or optimizing or managing your Google business profile, we have included useful resources, tools, and links in the description below. And if you would like expert help, you will find details on how to work with us there as well. Otherwise, check out our playlist for step-by-step tutorials that walk you through the entire process. See you soon.